This is what I did for pictures. Very dramatic bold eye, but I was feeling it. Bubba. And I just painted on the line right here. Cole, which I'm just gonna paint that next to Bubba. Philly. Snowbird. Like so. And now we blend in circular motions along the lower lash line. Take the line brush and I'm gonna go into Black Friday eyeliner. Line inside the waterline. I just came right here and just draw up like that. Switch back to the eyeshadow brush and then I just kind of smoked it out some more. Okay, now onto the face. Start with contour first. When I'm doing photos, I usually go a little bit more dramatic with my contour. Move on to foundation. I'm going to take the buff brush side and tap into my darkest highlight shade and we're going to bring it up around the eyes. And then I take this lighter shade along the jawline. Take a dampened sponge. Hopefully gonna blend everything in. Taking the multitasker brush and my contour shade and my lips. Plum as the base color. RV7 over the top. And then I just set everything in place with setting spray. Everything I used was from my all-in-one little compact here. So if you want to get color matched for your own custom palette, you can just fill out my form below.